Got it recording. Huh? We are at the beach. A different part of the beach. Oh, the seaweed. Washed up. Water was way up there. Looking for some stuff. Looking for some nice shells too. So pretty. Oh, there's somebody out there on a kayak thing. Attaboy. Yeah, that's crazy. So we're using it. See if we can find anything here. There's some good shells. See something? I can't believe all that seaweed that came up. It's beautiful today. I think it's maybe 60 degrees now, if not more. Yeah, them waves are starting way out there. Look behind you. Cooper, look how far back they start now.
Yeah, they're starting far.
Yeah, but it's still not coming up as far. I honestly don't know if this is low tide or not. I don't know. All right, we're gonna walk around a little bit. We'll be back. This is all stuff, you guys, that washed up from the storms that we've had. All the seaweed, you can see the garbage in it, shells. Trying to find some nice shells, you guys. Some nice little, like this one here, it's got a hole in it. So you can make a necklace out of that. It's kind of cool. I'm actually gonna keep that. Lots of shells. We're trying this pile. That hole we had, there was nothing in it. I mean, this stuff washed up far. Can't go over there because those are turtle nests. I mean, there's a lot of garbage in this stuff. All the seaweed. It's so pretty. Now all the seaweed's dried out because it wasn't like this before. What the hell is that? I don't know. Oh, there's another shell. Let's see. That one's broke though. Oh, look at garbage. Alright, you guys, we're gonna look around some more here and see if we can find some stuff. Takes time. Oop, there's another shell. This one don't look bad. Just full of sand. That one don't look bad at all. Oh! Huh? Oh. I say he found something. Alright, you guys, so I found this piece of coral. It's kind of cool, but it's got sand all over it. So let's see if I can wash it off without getting my feet wet. Is the possibility. Maybe. Let's try. Look at them waves, y'all. I really don't want to get my feet wet right now. But I want to wash this piece of coral off. Oh, Lord. As soon as I get closer, there's a bigger wave. Look at that one. Oh, yep. I got wet feet. My feet are wet, y'all. Yep. See how pretty it is? It's pretty. In the sunlight, you see all the different shells and stuff. That's why I didn't wear tennis shoes. It's kind of cool. That's what I get. I was waiting for a big wave in it because when you're looking through the camera, you don't really see it like coming. That's cool though. I see an apple over there. I gotta take my socks off. It's kind of pointless. My shoes is wet. Water feels good though. Makes sense. nice. There's like nobody here. Man, is that beautiful. Woo. It's crazy how strong ankle deep water is here. You know what I mean? That ocean will knock you on your butt. Yeah, water is definitely strong. They bring tables down here? Or is that their beach? Alright, we're gonna look around some more. So I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't really zoom in, but there is a big ship way out there, like right above my finger, right there. Kind of cool, you guys. So far, I still haven't found anything. Been looking through all the seaweed that washed up. Got some nice shells with holes. Oh, there's another boat way out there. Check it out. Now that the ocean's calmed down some, there's boats out there. It's kind of cool. They're not. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it. Alright, yeah, we got a hit, so we're gonna see my little shovel out here.
6 plus.
What the hell is that? I figure I use the rake. Well, yeah, but it helped loosen it up, so. I just don't want to touch no damn jellyfish laying up here on the goddamn beach. That won't feel too good. A lot of roots. You see them? Oh, what's that? That is a piece of plastic. Figure, make the piles. Damn, that's a big ass root. Now over here in this beach, you guys, we have little clear crabs that come out at night. It's kind of cool watching them go. All right, maybe run the thing over and see if it's in any of our piles. Oh, sorry. Okay. So it's got to be here somewhere.
It still says it's right.
Ain't that a bitch? It's right here. We found our first treasure, and it is a metal liquor beer cap or something. Let me pick up the rake.
Yeah.
That was it. So we know it works because we weren't sure how, because the batteries aren't fully charged. So this is what we got, you guys. That's what we found. That'd be nice to not throw it back in there. Just throw it away when I get home. All right. Well, it works. Look, you guys. Look at this giant piece of wood that washed up on the beach. You got something? Yeah? Alright. Let's go. Let's dig. About where?
About like right here.
I'm gonna move this over here. A lot of stuff washed up. This damn seaweed stuff. Sand in my face. It's everywhere. Just trying to loosen it. This helps with that shit. Getting it all over me. See if we can get something. Feel nothing. At least the sand is nice and soft. That fucking shit is everywhere. That looks like fishing line. Careful. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's fishing line. I bet it's a lure. That's it. I can't pull it. Yeah. Maybe I can get it with the rake. Careful, I don't know if there's any hooks.
Yeah, I was just looking at this part of it.
Right, that's still in there. That might be what it is. I'm gonna try and fling sand at you. Look at all the fishing line.
That's the end of the fishing line.
You got the end of it out?
Yeah, I got one.
All right, I wasn't sure. You know, people down here fish with big lures at the beach. All right, I don't know. We'll try the metal detector again, see if we catches anything. What the hell is that?
Find the mother load.
No, not yet. We're trying. Oh, there it is right there. I was right.
Oh, bummer.
It's a fishing lure.
If you're gonna throw it, we'll put it in the garbage.
Oh no, I'm gonna keep it. What we're finding, even if it's garbage, I'm taking it.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't put it back.
Sorry about that.
Oh no, you're good.
No, I'm saying sorry you didn't get the mother load.
Just cut your finger open.
No.
I mean, you can have that because you do a lot more fishing than I do.
This is right.
Huh? Dude, that thing's got some weight to it though. So check that out, you guys. I kind of figured there was gonna be some kind of fishing lure. That was a lot of fishing line. Check that out. There's people sit here fish on the beach. So we got 2 things. Sweet. On to the next. When flags at guard station are flying. What does that say? Oh, rip currents. All right, you guys, we are gonna go over to the boardwalk. This is how you get to this beach. I don't recommend walking this part at night, but whew, I'm sure this fills up with water sometimes. Mangroves, palm trees, spiders, rats. It's all kinds of stuff. My shoes are full of sand. It's nice out today though. Oh look, chicken. Whoa! What's up, dude?
Scared the squirrel.
Yeah. He was chilling. You know what's funny? On my Scratcher channel, I have an emoji of a squirrel, and somebody got me a stuffed squirrel. Look, I ain't got no food for you, so don't jump on me. That was funny. I was looking at the one on the ground. I didn't even see that one sitting up
Yeah,
there.
I didn't see the other one either.
There's another one sitting on that one. They hungry. They not scared. People must feed them. Oh, he's saying goodbye. Oh my God. All right, y'all. Okay. All right, you guys, we are at the boardwalk. So I was explaining to you guys, that was full of sand all the way up. It's completely washed away. I mean, there's sand over the bottom steps. So this is this part over here. You guys have seen this part before in my other videos, so we're gonna try and see if we can find some treasures over here. So we found something, you guys. Trying to get out of the sun. This whole area is going off. Trying to move it out of the way for the shovel. Water's creeping up really close behind me. Here it comes. Oh! Yep, my shoes are wet. Alright, you want me to see? Alright. It's still in there. Yeah. Ooh, that water's creeping up close, y'all. Look at that. Look up close. Oh, we're getting wet. Oh, yeah, buddy. We're getting wet. So much for that one. Well, if it was in there.
Can't really get it wet.
No, I don't want to get it wet. Yep, that one's gone. What the hell? We got a little wet there on that one. Alright, you guys, we are walking back to the car. We're getting a lot of little hits, but they're low numbers. It's not worth digging. So I figured I'd show you guys the ocean while I'm walking. Yeah, see, what the numbers are low, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a 19, 20, that's nothing. But people have been really friendly and asking us, like, you having any luck, and or just seeing, my hair's a mess, just seeing if we found anything worth bragging about. It's going crazy here. But it's all just low numbers. Ocean's pretty though. Y'all don't want to look at me, you want to look at the ocean. Did get some cool shells though. I mean, we do got some cool shells in there, and that fishing lure, and the cap. That's all we found this time, but still kind of cool. Very pretty. Very pretty. This is where you guys, you know, I tell you guys, my husband and I walk all the time. This is the boardwalk. We walk all the way to the inn and back every night when we can. They don't look at me. They don't look at me. They love when I post videos on them. Look at the little birds. I can't wait to splice all this together. Look at these weird little birds, y'all. They just hang out on the beach when the water comes in. Watch, they're all gonna walk really fast so they don't get wet. They're crazy. I don't know what they eat, something, but I don't know what. Here they go. Nope, the water didn't get them high. There they go. They're going back down. Uh-oh, here comes a wave. Oh, that one was small. Nope. Wait for them to take off. There, they probably run from that one. Yep, they're going. Oh, no, your little feet got wet. I don't even like birds like that. Too funny. Well, I think that's it for today, you guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.